Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and we're going to be replacing a passenger side lock switch. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the one that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so now we've got the door open. We're just going to grab a small pocket screwdriver, or you could try to use something like this. This would be optimal, but it's not very much space to try to get in there. So, being careful not to scuff up our door panel. Just going to go right in between here on the front side. You don't want to go on the back, and I'll show you why. Just going to push it towards the rear and lift. Lifts up. If you go from the rear, you've got this little hooky-doo, and it goes underneath this part. So you'll be lifting and prying and lifting, denting and scratching and all sorts of bad things. Just go right from the front. It's easy enough. Okay? We're just going to take off this whole unit right here. You just squeeze this little tab. Should squeeze. Here we are. Take a look at our electrical connector. That looks like it's in good condition. I don't see any funny colors in there, rust or water or debris. Right here's our switch. If you wanted to, you can take the whole thing right out of here. It might be easier to do that. Just do the same thing. Squeeze right here. Give it a little tug. Pull it away. Easy peasy. Take a look. Looks good. Looks good. We know both those are good. Okay, to get the lock switch out, what we're going to want to do, apply gentle pressure. Stick your pocket screwdriver in along the top right there, and just gently pry. It's going to release it from its locking area. Now I'm going to go to the lower portion of the switch. I'm going to do the same thing. Pops right out. And here's our passenger side lock switch. Okay, so this is the way your lock switch is going to go in. Of course, you want it saying lock facing up. Just going to put it in like this. We're going to give it a light squeeze. Clipped in. Give it a try. Make sure it doesn't push through. You want to make sure it's locked in. If it's not locked in, give it a little push. Boop. Going in there somewhere. It's locked and loaded. Looks good. Let's go ahead with the next step. So here we go. Let's get all this connected back in. We're going to take our connector, listen for a click noise. There it is. Give it a nice tug. Feels good. Move on to the next one. Same thing. Listen for a click. Tug. Feels good. We're going to put our little hooky-doo here underneath here and then slide the front down. Just like this. Bonk, bonk. That's my thing. Cool.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.